Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to transfer a Vercel project to another account. You'll need to be an owner of the source team and a member of the destination team. If you're not a member of the destination yet, they'll need to add you first. Okay, let's get into it. First, head to your Vercel dashboard. From the source team's dashboard, choose the project you want to transfer. Just click on the project card or project name in the list. You'll be taken to the project overview page. Next, open the Settings menu from the sidebar or top menu. This takes you to the project-specific settings, and you'll see a left sidebar with several options. In that left sidebar, click General. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a section called Transfer Project down there. In the Transfer Project section, click the Transfer button. A modal or new screen appears where you can select the destination team. Now select the Vercel team you want to transfer the project to. You'll only see teams where you're already a member in the list. You can also create a new team from here if you need to. One thing to note, if the destination team doesn't have a valid payment method set up, you'll need to add one before the transfer goes through. Otherwise, the project might be interrupted. You'll now see a review screen showing all the domains, aliases, and environment variables that will be transferred. You can also rename the project here if you want. If the destination team already has a project with the same name, you'll have to provide a new name. Otherwise, the existing name is used by default. Once you've reviewed everything, click the Transfer button at the bottom to confirm. Vercel will redirect you to the newly created project on the destination team, and you'll see in-progress indicators showing the transfer is happening. Now just wait while the transfer processes. It usually takes between 10 seconds and 10 minutes depending on how much data is involved. The whole transfer happens with zero downtime, so your project stays live the entire time. When it finishes, you and the destination team's owners will get an email notification. A few things to keep in mind after the transfer. Any integrations you had set up will need to be added again on the new team. Some environment variables might also need reconfiguring if they were defined in your vercel.json file, and if you were using secure compute or static IPs, you'll need to reconnect those in the destination team's settings. And there we go. Project transferred. Thanks for watching. See you next time.